In this video, let's talk about dictionaries. A Python dictionary is a data structure that can store a key-value pair. A key is a unique identifier that is used to access the corresponding value in the dictionary. A value can be any Python object, such as maybe a string, a number, or another dictionary itself. To create an empty dictionary, you would use flower brackets. Then to create the elements, I would set them in double quotes and put a colon and the value associated with it. This is how you would create a nested dictionary. So the Melman is the key and the value has another dictionary. So this is a nested dictionary. You could also create the dictionary using the keyword dict with the name as the key and the value would be zoo. How do I index into a dictionary? So you would use the key as the index in the dictionary. So here when I say D1 of Morty, it gives me the value 2345. For a nested dictionary, we would use two keys. Like here we used Melman and home to index it. How do I merge two dictionaries? So D1.update of D2 updates D1. So now our dictionary D1 has the elements of D2 also. How do I find out if a key is present in dictionary? So the keyword in will let you know that. So it sees if this is a member in your dictionary. We have few more useful functions. They're called the d1.keys. Here what it does is it fetches all the keys in the dictionary. And the other one is d1.values. Here I would use values to get all the values associated in the dictionary. The other is the items. Here it gives me the whole dictionary. So if I want to delete some key, I would just say pop and the key value. If I want to update, I would just say D1 of that key and the value. What doesn't work in dictionaries is indexing with numbers, like D1 of first element. I can't say that. I have to specify the key value. The other thing that doesn't work is instead of update, I can just not concatenate the two with a plus operator. This was a brief introduction to dictionaries in Python. We'll see more how to traverse them and use them in the later sessions. Thank you.